That's why they are so
Every facility are available, but no any kind of happiness or desire.
why not they are how
Because they think for the money, they think for the future, but they don't look the present.
you know that every person is why is worried only for the money.
Yes.
If he has a money
Listen to me.
that he is
Agree. I am agree about your topic that every person is worry about the money.
yes
Because rich men have a money, therefore they are worry about this money. They have a money and still they are saying we are needing another money, needing.
No.
Because they have already money, but poor, when poor will need only food and he is very happy because he don't need any things. He don't need any kind of money.
Okay,
He have a
you are I am agreed to saying by you
Thank
that poor man is so happy than rich man. If
then
if
point
he
is clear that you are saying that
no, I define it
Yes.
that he is not happy. If you know that he has a material of the money that he can live so he can live happy. You know, God does not want that. One day he can make problem of the he can make face of the problems that he has no money only he can manage of his home.
Money-
That what he
money
will
is
do.
not everything for the everything is money.
It is most option of money is most option of
It is saying
the
that-
happiness.
If you see in the village,
You know that
my villagers are very happy.
Nowadays is going
Listen to me,
nowadays
listen to
is
me.
going on
You
every
have-
on the money.
You have
Every
talked,
person
you have
is
talked too much. So listen to me. Villagers are very happy because they are poor. They don't want to be a rich, and the rich person they want to be a big rich. Therefore, they are worry about this money. Which means money is a very bad thing which is making the worry to the human.
who can live without money.
Every person can
No
live
one
without
can.
money.
No one can live without money.
Wow.
How he can manage his home and his facility? How he can manage?
They
How he
can-
can
they-
manage his food? His
Listen to me. You live building or in a small house.
I should.
But you
I
can live.
I
But
need a
listen to me.
food.
Listen to me. You can live in the building or you can live in the small house. But
Okay.
you will live. You will survive your life. Actually, point is that will you be happy in the building or in this small house? It's depend on these things. You are saying that money is everything. Without money we cannot survive. How can you are saying that without money we
Listen.
cannot survive?
Okay.
Money is not any big things. I think money is very bad things according to me.
From where do you come bring your clothes?
From where this has been gifted to me,
Who get?
my friend.
Who?
Because I am
your
poor.
friend.
Listen to me.
Your
I
friend.
am
How
poor.
he can buy the money? If
But-
he has a money,
Okay.
then he
I
can buy.
am.
Okay. For example, this center is going on one by what thing? By the money. If
No.
if how?
No, money is not everything.
You are
No,
studying
when
free.
you are
listen.
Listen
You
to
are-
me. This is a personal statement. Listen to me. When Sartar,
No, it is not personal.
Actually, point is that when there is so much money, you have come here for the learning. When Sartar is not available, money will teach you.
Yes, everything teach
Because
us.
money will teach you. What
Yes,
do you want
money.
to be in your future?
You know that nowadays.
Yes.
Everything teach us we teach by the money. If we have a money that we can get lots of things. We can go foreign countries. We can visit
Money-
everything.
money is not-
and we can know by the money.
Let me tell. It means money is not letting you live in your place. It is sending you in the another country. When you have money, listen to me.
How
When
we
you have
happy
money,
to know?
actual point is that when you have money, you will say that I want to become the so rich person, and you will try to save your money. When poor will have money, he will openly eat everything
Okay.
because he don't want to become the big rich. Only he want to
Listen,
survive his life
listen.
very happily. Okay.
No, I am not satisfied. Okay, listen me.
Yes.
If you have a money, okay,
Yes.
that you are managing, you are studying, you are managing your
This
home.
is wrong statement. I don't have money. Then I will go to the government side.
how you can prove it
Listen
that
to
it
me.
is big misconcept you are
Government is providing. Government is
What
providing.
government is providing?
Everything government is providing.
government is providing the food, government
Yes,
is providing
yes.
the clothes.
Yes.
Who is
Yes.
saying why people
Seller,
are
listen to me.
listen why people are struggling for everyone? If government is providing the everything people population,
Yes.
that why they are earning, that why they become very.
Because we are worried about our aim. So poor
Which
people,
aim?
listen to
Which
me,
aim?
listen to me. Poor people don't have his aim, and he has only happiness. He want to survive his life only with the happiness. But rich man has the aim, so therefore they are worried about his aim, and they want to become the still so much rich. So this is a actually point is there.
I am not satisfied by this your lecture, but my mean is that every person become happy by the money. If you have a money, that you are happy, because you can manage of everything.
It means everything is very happiness for you.
Yes, everything.
Yeah, what are you saying? If you have money, you
Listen,
you
listen,
can
listen.
you can choose your own.
Listen, I tell you, if I have money,
Yeah.
that which is my wish, I can fill my wish. Okay.
It means you can buy.
Listen,
You.
if I want to buy the car, it is my wish. I want to buy.
It means
I
you
want
are,
to buy a car.
it means
Okay.
you are saying that your happiness
Let
will
me
fill the car.
complete. Let me complete.
Yes.
If my wish is to buy the car, that I have no money, then how I can buy car?
Car is not.
How I
everything.
can
Listen to
fill
me.
my
Car is
ends? How I can?
car is not everything for surviving the life.
No,
Car is not-
it is
and-
my wish. I want to live. I want to keep live happy myself.
Can-
Then how I can?
Can you survive without car?
Yes, I can survive.
Then
But
why will you buy?
you are saying that poor men are happy without the money.
Yeah.
Without then rich men,
Yes.
they are happy only with their family.
Yes, and
but
this
they
is the
are
very
not-
biggest.
But
they are happy
but
with
they
their
are
family.
not. But they are not happy in their by their wishes, in their aims.
They don't
because
have
many
listen
keeps
to me.
us.
You have talked too much, so listen to me.
Okay.
Because they say that our family is our everything, and they are saying that we cannot become the rich man, and we have to be a very happily survive life very happily. They don't earn so much money, and whatever they need money, they have to earn this money. Okay, and but rich men, it means a businessman also they will don't. It means they will affair from spend the money. They will not eat the good food.
They don't extra spend.
Extra they will not spend. They will try to save their money because they have to.
If so that they survive their money, that on any difficulties.
It means they don't believe on the God. Poor have a belief on the God. Therefore they are happy. Rich man, you are saying that.
Every person believe on the God, because our God is one. Okay,
It means-
and we
listen,
believe-
listen. You are saying that every person is believe on the God.
Yes.
Every person believe on the God. Then why they are
Except non-Muslim.
except non-Muslim? So non-Muslim has his own God. So
they are that.
so you are saying that when they store the money, they save the money. Where will they do? Where will they spend? Then now they are not spending. That where will they spend? In the graveyard?
Okay.
In the tomb?
Only you tell me that how they can fulfill their importance needed things.
And these are technical things. These are not important for surviving the life. These are not important.
In the modern era.
Leave the
what's
modern
going-
area.
what's
Modern area.
going-
Listen to me.
listen.
Modern area. Listen
In the
to me.
modern
Listen
era,
to me.
what's
Let
going
let
on?
me complete. Modern area, they are very worried because they want to become
Why
rich.
they are
Because
worried?
they are saying that we want to become the rich and they are earning too much
How?
money and they are not
Okay,
spending.
they want to be
and
rich.
still they are saving. They are not
You are
spending.
saying they are now in the modern time, in the modern era.
Yes.
People are so worried and they want to be rich men. How they can be rich men? Because if they have a money, that they can be rich
It
men.
means a rich man is a big problem to survive the life.
How is big problem?
Actually, everyone will and everyone will be want to become the rich man. Is it not problem to survive the life? It means you have a 200. You are very poor. You don't want to become the rich man. You will spend it and you will eat whatever you want. When you have so much money, you don't feel like to spending it.
Okay.
When you have so much money, you will say that I save it and it will be working the difficult time and difficult time this never come before.
First of all,
You have to believe on the God.
Okay, okay. Yes, I believe.
Yes.
Okay, I belong with a poor family. Okay, and I have importance of the money, and I have needed of the money. My ancestor is, for example, in the disease, and I have no money. That how I can treatment of my
government hospital are available and they are treating very well.
everything is not in the government hospital.
Everything and the
You know
private.
that
Listen to
you know
me.
that in the civil hospital of Hyderabad.
Every
There is-
facility is
if
available in this.
if they take test of your liver and skin test, that you have to test by the money in the, I mean that
This money will not be too much. They will take the, I think 100 or 5.
One day.
This is not too much money.
and
we are
and
talking.
they don't check clearly that only they don't focus clearly on the patient.
Why will they not?
Because
do that?
they-
and you
their
you
comes
can
are not-
blame on him. You can blame them.
Because-
and you can take the action about him because you are the public of
If
Pakistan.
listen, okay, if I will action on them, that only I have only one patient, okay, and you know that lots of material there, that only they will focus on me or them.
If they will focus everyone because
Everyone,
when, listen,
everyone.
listen
But
to me.
my patient is
When-
so serious.
When you
But my
will take
patient
the-
is so serious. There is a lot
Listen
of
to me. First of all, you think that your patient is died.
Okay.
Listen, only believe on 1 minute that your patient is died. When you will want to that no any patient die in this serious condition, so you can take action about this doctor because you have authority to take the action. You
What
have
will
authority.
What will do government?
Government do anything because if
Nothing
you
will do. Nothing
how
will
can
do.
you say you have authority? Listen to me. Let me complete. You have authority. You can choose your own prime minister.
Okay,
This
if,
is your
if I will
authority
action,
available.
if I will action,
And listen,
what will doctor say? That
Don't-
if I
listen, don't go from the topic. Come to the topic. Our
no, I
topic
am
is rich man or
taking an example.
yes.
If I will action on the doctors, that my patient has expired, okay, and what will say doctor? If would have I focus on this patient, that what will be other patients?
Your patient is died. Then
Is
what
that
is it?
by
Only not one doctor. 100 doctors are available
okay, by
here.
causes the doctor because my patient was serious.
And
it was,
listen,
and
your
I
statement is totally wrong. There is no only one doctor. 100 doctors are available and as well as their helper are available, nurse are available,
But-
and many facilities
but
are
they-
available.
but they
and
don't
private,
focus
the private
clearly.
hospital, no any facility. When you
in
have
the
to
private
when you have
everything
to-
is stable. Everything is stable in the private hospitals, and they
and
focus
listen to me.
clearly.
You are saying that everything will be in the private hospital. And poor rich man will go there and
Okay.
Because from the doctor side they want to become the more rich and they will I think they will load
Yes,
they will
I
load
have got your point.
and they will
For
load
example, I am rich man and you are poor man. Okay,
Yes.
I go and the private hospital. Whom they will more respect? You or me?
they will not respect
You
or
belong
me.
with poor family. You
Yes.
belong with poor family, and I
And
belong
point
with.
is that when I am going to this hospital my friend is working there
But
they will
only tell me
But
that
listen to me.
whom
When-
they will give
Okay,
more respect.
when you will go there they don't know you and they know me my friend is working there they will
No.
respect me because they know me I am poor at least I am not I say that
Every person is greedy of the money.
every person is greedy of the money
Money.
correct
Yes. So
you are saying that every person is greedy of the money.
Money.
Therefore, I am saying that poor is a very happier than the rich man because every person is greedy.
But
Therefore,
If-
I am saying that you must stand on your statement.
money
You
can
are saying
keep us.
that
Money can keep us so happy.
how you are saying that money can keep us very happy. Still,
Yes.
you have not
But
enough.
why not? Why
You have
not?
proved
Why
it.
not you prove it? Then why not you prove it?
I have proved that money is a very bad thing, and
How?
money is appearing very difficulty in this in our time in our life. Money is making so much difficulty. When you have
you are
money,
saying
listen
that
to me.
money
Your father
so
have
many
earned,
difficulties
your
for
father,
us.
listen to me, listen to me. Your father have earned so much money for you, and
Okay,
these
हाँ,
money
yes.
are here, and you are spending it, and
Yes.
you don't